Hello everyone, my name is Maqsood Chotani and I am an Associate Professor at the International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences at the University of Karachi, Pakistan. I'm here today to talk to you about your cardiovascular health and particularly the impact of stress on your tiny blood vessels. Statistics available to us through the World Health Organization show that an unhealthy blood circulation system contributes to about 31% of all deaths globally, or in other words, 17.9 million deaths per year, and for Pakistan the number ranges from 30% to 40%. In other words, what this means is that 1 in 3 individuals in this room have been or will be impacted by cardiovascular disease which affects your blood circulation system. My goal therefore today is to bring awareness of a healthy blood circulation system. Our heart beats approximately 70 to 80 beats per minute and pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood throughout our body during a single day. This blood circulation system, which is similar to a household plumbing system, includes large, medium and even tiny blood vessels that provide oxygen, nutrients and remove toxic waste, and in fact is essential for health and survival of cells and tissues. Research in my lab in fact is focused on how these tiny blood vessels respond to stress, particularly environmental stress that includes cold temperature as well as emotional stress. It is now known that stress triggers a relay response that leads to a cellular response, particularly in these tiny blood vessels. We have identified a key player in these tiny blood vessels that responds to stress. This key player, in fact, we know now is residing silently within the cell, and in response to stress signal, which is similar to a 911 call, mobilizes or moves from the inside of the cell to the periphery of the cell, where it now becomes biologically active. The biological response in this case is actually a narrowing of the blood vessels and reduction in flow. This is in fact a protective response. It prevents excessive heat loss from our body through our skin, and in fact preserves our core body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. However, when unchecked, this biological response can lead to an exaggerated or even chronic narrowing of the blood vessels, which can in fact be involved in human conditions such as cold feet, hands, or human diseases such as Raynaud's phenomenon and scleroderma, which can lead to disability and even can be fatal. In these conditions, the blood circulation to the digits or even the major organs is shut down by the overactivity of this key player and can lead to damage and even death of these tissues. So these tiny blood vessels are therefore the gateway to your health. Research in our lab has given us new understanding of how these tiny blood vessels respond to stress. We have identified and we have developed experimental models to understand how this key player functions, and we are actually testing a novel approach to block or inhibit the movement of this key player from inside of the cell to the periphery and thereby block its biological activity. In fact, we think this has an application to the clinic where this can be a target for therapy. So in conclusion, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle and you can manage stress through regular diet and exercise. And in fact, if you would like to learn more about our work, you can go online and look for videos, especially a video by the name of IC Feed, IC Reception, which is present on metatube.com, or you can go to TED for a general understanding of the blood circulation system and look for how our blood pressure works. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have at this time.